If your Chevy Traverse is refusing to fire up, don't call the tow truck just yet. We can find the culprit in minutes. Nearly half of all no-start cases are simply due to a weak battery or loose connections at the terminals. Let's walk through the diagnostic process to see why your Traverse is sitting dead in the driveway. Start with the basics. Make sure you're in park and watch the dashboard for any security or key fob warnings. Listen closely when you turn the key. A single click often means your starter motor has finally given up. If the engine cranks but won't catch, you likely have a fuel delivery issue or a bad crankshaft position sensor. You can easily handle batteries and fuses yourself, but a buried starter motor might require a trip to the shop. Repair costs vary wildly, from a simple battery swap to a more expensive fuel pump replacement. If you're stranded, tapping the starter motor while someone cranks the engine can sometimes get you one last start. Keep a basic toolkit and an OBD2 scanner in your Traverse to diagnose these issues on the go. Remember, proactive testing in the fall can save you from being stranded in the winter. Check those connections first and good luck getting your Traverse back on the road.